Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about mouse traps. But before I jump into that, I want to take this opportunity to remind you that now is a good time to hit that subscribe button down here along the bottom. And once you click it, you'll have to hit it again. You choose the how you want to get notified, how many times, and everything else. Basically, you want to go ahead and click the top one once you do that. Also, everyone, please hit the thumbs up. Help me out with YouTube's analytics, and please leave some sort of comment down below. Nice is better, but leave a comment. That way it helps me out with YouTube's analytics. Alrighty, so mouse traps. Why mouse traps now? Well, simple. We're coming into fall. Summer's wrapping up. The mice have been having lots of families and babies and everything else, and there's lots of mice out there, and they've been harvesting food and stuff, and they need some place to be for the winter. And a lot of times, they can sense that heat radiating off your house. And so what do? They come over and find a way into your house to spend the winter there. And of course, if they're nice and warm inside the house, they're going to be active enough to start making more babies. And they're going to eat up all any food that they bring in, and then they're going to be going through your stuff trying to find more food to eat. So mouse traps is a good way to protect your preps. All right? And there are different types of mouse traps to consider too. There is the, your old-fashioned, Victor spring ones, and then there's the ones that are just a sticky pad. When they go across it, they get stuck on it, and you throw the whole thing away. There are the ones that are the captured live, that has a little mechanism that calls in and flips them around. They're locked inside there, and you get several mice in there. You take them out and go turn them loose 5 miles away, or whatever you want to do with them. And there are also the electronic ones. They go in to get, and that's it. So there are a bunch of different types of mouse traps. Figure out which one is going to work best for you. Now, there is one drawback, actually several drawbacks to the sticky traps. Number one, over time, they become less sticky, just the way the chemical composition of them is. After you have them being set out over time, they become less sticky because the dust in the air collects to it and becomes less sticky that way. All right? So, and sometimes you get a mouse will get on there and they will, and then get away. So, but then also the other ones you got to watch out. You do like on a squeamish about it, and you throw the whole trap away rather than release it and reusing the trap. But hey, it's all your choice. All right. So before I take off though, I'm going to put a couple links up here for you. I'm going to put one link right up here to my other channel, Camp Pat Family Compound, where I got my gardening and homesteading stuff. And there is a bunch of emergency preparedness videos over there that I made before I fired this channel back up. So Camp Pat Family Compound up here. I'm going to put Prepping for Beginners up here, and Prepping in Private playlist down here. So you can share those with your friends and relatives so that they can get prepared and they don't come over after your supplies when things go bad.